Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel at Future Way Next. I hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to talk about Canada Expressentry 2024 important updates for skilled workers, most in-demand jobs in Canada. Before we start, make sure to stick around till the end for all the info. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Now, let's get into it. We hope you're doing great. Well, in this we'll talk about Expressentry's most in-demand jobs in Canada. Welcome to an insightful exploration of Expressentry's most in-demand jobs in Canada. The Expressentry system has revolutionized immigration to Canada, and understanding the occupations in high demand is crucial for those aspiring to make Canada their new home. In this video, Canadian job market providing valuable insights for perspective. Immigrants looking to enhance their chances in the Expressentry pool. So to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Securing a job is often an important step for many temporary residents, those on a work, study, or a visitor visa, and not just establishing themselves in Canada economically, but also in building eligibility for economic pathways to permanent residence (PR). In light of this, many newcomers are interested in what the in-demand jobs are in Canada. This knowledge can help to better inform their employment search and enable their immigration journey in an aim to better adjust immigration to labor force needs. Immigration, refugees and citizenship. Canada IRCC introduced Expressentry category-based selection draws to target candidates in the Expressentry pool who have experience in professions that Canada critically needs workers for. The categories that IRCC targets are made up of in-demand occupations in 5 different fields: 1. Healthcare, 2. Science, technology, engineering and mathematics (STM), 3. Trade, for transport, and 5. Agriculture and agri-food. As such, we can look to the list of targeted professions to better understand not just what jobs are in demand in the labor market, but also which jobs IRCC believes it must target to better support the Canadian labor market through immigration. Correlating these professions identified by IRCC with other in-demand occupations identified by human resource consulting firms and popular job boards shows overlap among many identified professions. Note the below list for healthcare and science, technology, engineering and mathematics (STM) occupations will cover the most common job titles. According to IRC's list, occupation lists for the other categories will cover in-demand professions. For a full list of job titles and to access the category-based selection draw eligibility tool, find our dedicated web page here. National Occupation Classification (NOC) 2021 codes of professions are also given for reference. Healthcare occupations. Healthcare occupations cover workers in various positions including physicians, physiologists, psychologists, and many more of these professions. The most common work titles include nurses. Targeted nursing professions here include licensed practical nurses (NOC number 32101), nurse aides, orderlies and patient service associates (KN 33102), nurse practitioners (NOC number 3132), physician assistants, midwives and allied health professionals (NOC number 3133), nursing coordinators and supervisors (NOC number 31300), and registered nurses and registered psychiatric nurses (NOC number 3131), lab med assistants, and technical medical staff. Targeted professions here include medical laboratory assistants and related technical options (NOC number 331001), medical laboratory technologists (NOC number 32120), medical radiation technologists (NOC number 32121), medical sonographers (NOC number 32122), pharmacy technical assistant and pharmacy assistants (NOC #3313), and physician assistants, midwives and allied health professionals (NOC number 3133). STEM occupations. STEM occupations cover professions from a number of fields including architects, data scientists, land surveyors and more. Among this category, the most common professional titles included engineers. Targeted professions here include civil engineers (NOC number 21300), computer engineers except software engineers and designers (NOC number 2311), electrical and electronics engineers (NOC number 2310), engineering managers (NOC number 2010), industrial and manufacturing engineers (NOC number 2321), metallurgic and materials engineers (NOC number 2322), and software engineers and designers. NOC number 2231 Business and Computer Systems Specialists. Targeted professions here include Computer and Information Systems Managers. NOC number 2012 Computer Systems Developers and Programmers. NOC number 2230 Cybersecurity Specialists. NOC hashtag 2220 Database Analysts and Data Administrators. NOC number 2223 and Information Systems Specialists. NOC number 2222 Trades Occupations. The trades occupation category focuses on professions related to skilled trades needed for manufacturing, construction, repairs, and more. These are residential and commercial installers and servicers. NOC 73,800 Elevator constructors and mechanics. NOC 7246 Machine fitters. NOC 7245 Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Mechanics. NOC 7242 Construction Millwrights and Industrial Mechanics. NOC 72400 Carpenters. NOC 72310 Plumbers. NOC 72300 Electricians except industrial and power. System. NOC number 72200 Welders and related machine operators. NOC number 7216 and Contractors and Supervisors, other construction trades, installers, repairers, and servicers. NOC number 72010 Transport occupations. Transport occupations include professions that support commercial transport of people and goods. These occupations are aircraft assemblers and aircraft assembly inspectors. NOC number 9300 Transport truck drivers. NOC number 73300 Railway traffic controllers and marine traffic regulators. NOC number 7264 Engineer officers, water transport. NOC number 72603 Deck officers, water transport. NOC number 7262 Air traffic controllers and related occupations. NOC 72601 Air pilots, flight engineers, and flying instructors. NOC number 726 Aircraft mechanics and aircraft inspectors. NOC number 7244 Railway carmen or women. NOC number 7243 and managers in transportation. NOC number 7020 Agriculture and agri-food occupations. Agriculture and agri-food occupations cover professions that are related to farming, landscaping, and production of food and produce. These occupations are contractors and supervisors, landscaping, grounds maintenance, and horticulture services. NOC 2031 Agriculture service contractors and farm supervisors. NOC number 2030 and butchers, retail and wholesale. NOC number 7630. Are you eligible for category-based selection? To be eligible for these categories, candidates must have obtained at least 6 months of continuous work experience in the last 3 years in Canada or abroad and already have a profile in the Expressentry application pool. Once candidates have submitted a profile under one of the 3 Expressentry managed programs, the Federal Skilled Worker Program FSWP, Federal Skilled Trades Program FSTP, or the Canadian Experience class, they must wait until IR relevant Expressentry draw that delivers an invitation to apply ITA for PR based on their inclusion in one of the above professional categories or their comprehensive ranking system. CRS. CRS scores are IRC's usual method of ranking immigration candidates based on their human capital factors. Once ANITA has received candidates, now applicants have up to 60 days to submit a full application for PR. If this application is approved, applicants are granted PR status and will receive a confirmation or permanent residence PR. From here they are free to settle permanently in Canada. As we conclude our journey through Expressentry's most in-demand jobs in Canada, we hope this information has been instrumental in guiding your immigration aspirations. The Canadian job market is dynamic, and staying informed about the occupations in demand is key to a successful Expressentry application. Whether you're a skilled professional, a tradesperson, or an IT specialist, aligning your profile with the prevailing job trend sign if enhances your prospects. We wish you the best on your journey to Canada and a successful future in your chosen field. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next episode. Till then, take care. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next episode. Till then, take care.